Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to the workflow. In this video, I will be demoing two applications, a FedEx and UPS package tracking application, both built using Python. Hope you enjoy. Alrighty, now I'm going to go ahead and open up the UPS application. I've just listed the contents of the directory so I can know what the file is named. Open it up there. So we'll go ahead and walk through a few of the tracking numbers here for the UPS application. Notice I've presented you the ship from address, the destination address, the service that was used to deliver the package, the date that it was picked up, the current status, who was signed by and received by. Notice that the pickup date is a little weird there, but it goes year, month, and day. Now I'm just going to show you a flawed tracking number here. I would like to get it to the point where it does show you the tracking number in the output, but you see I was able to accomplish that with the FedEx application. Go ahead and open up the FedEx application now. I've just listed the contents of the directory again, just so I know what I named the file. Gonna go ahead and open that up now, if I can spell correctly. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and walk through a few of the live tracking numbers for the FedEx application. Notice that I give you the most recent event, the event time of that recent event, and the current location of that event. Notice that the event time is a little bit weird there with the FedEx API. They give you that information a little bit weird, but it does go the date and then followed by the time in military time there. The next release, I would definitely like to get that to look a little bit more presentable, along with showing icons in that white space there for the different statuses. Now I'm just going to show you an example of a tracking number that is insufficient. As you can see, I've put the tracking number in the output, but if you do notice, there is a little bit of text that was hanging off of the first window, but I was able to get that fixed in the executable file for Windows. I'm now going to move over to a RDP session where I have already installed and signed both of the applications to run smoothly. If you would like me to create separate videos on how I did certain things in this project, please leave it in the comments below. Alrighty, now we've moved over to the Windows environment here. I'm just going to open up the Explorer so I can show you that these executables have been signed with a self-signed cert. Just created a self-signed cert here with the use of Powershell, and I did that for both applications here, both UPS and FedEx. Again, if you would like more information on how to do this with your own applications, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll be happy to make a video on how I did that. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and open up the first application. The first one we're going to do in the Windows environment is the UPS app. Just created two shortcuts here on the desktop to make it a little bit easier to navigate to. I'm just going to go ahead and test some of the same tracking numbers that we used in the Linux terminal in the Windows executable here. As you can see, the response times of the executable is a little bit faster, in my opinion, than running it straight out of the terminal. But I have noticed that, like with most other applications, every now and again, you do have to close the application and reopen it if you notice it to hang there a little bit. Now I'm going to just go ahead and show you a flawed UPS tracking number here. Keep in mind that I do want to get that output to show the actual tracking number. So that way you see a difference in outputs on FedEx app. Keep in mind, this is the beta version of the application. There you go with the recent events, event times, and current location. My goal is, as I said before, to get icons to present themselves in the white space there for the different statuses of the package. I'd just like to update that in the next release that I present there. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and show you a tracking number that is flawed or incorrect. And you can see the output there. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel to get alerts as soon as I post a new project. Again, thanks for watching.